Check for danger before approaching your casualty. See if they are conscious by gently shaking their shoulders and speaking to them. If they don't respond, use a phone to call for help. Look, listen, and feel for breathing. If the person is not breathing, open their airway by lifting their chin with one hand and placing the other hand on their forehead and gently tilting their head back. Give 2 breaths of about 1 second each. Next, find the landmark between the nipples and begin chest compressions. Compressions should be 1.5 to 2 inches deep at a rate of 100 per minute. After 30 compressions, give 2 breaths as before. Continue the cycle until the ambulance arrives or the victim shows signs of life.